Welcome to the Two Parents Way video series on the Chinese Constitution. This is episode 1, out of many, 1. I'm Masha Sturtz. The United States has a divine ideal, a pluribus unum, out of many, 1. Why have we fallen short? The answer comes from God. Before many become one, 2, husband and wife, must become one. For this, we need God's holy marriage blessing through two parents. True parents came to these shores to make America godly again. In 1976, at the God Bless America Festival in Washington, D.C., Father Moon called Judaism, Christianity, and the Unification Church to become one for the cause of ideal families that elevate spiritual values over materialism. Had we had eyes to see and ears to hear, the nation of God's ideal would have come one. Instead, persecution came. Father and Mother Moon gave up everything to focus on this mission. Our family faced relentless persecution and opposition. Our children paid a very high price. The man who gave his life for this nation faced humiliation and rejection. Seeing this miserable situation, God, our Heavenly Parent, wept. With unchanging love, at last week's 40th anniversary of the God Bless America Festival, Mother Moon called America again to its founding ideal of oneness. She called leaders of religion to become one, to awake and stand firm on behalf of God's will. We must join together, going beyond the boundaries of race, ethnicity, gender, status, culture, belief, and religion to form one family under God. She called the leaders of government to become one, to set aside partisanship. Public servants must be awakened in the same way that spiritual leaders must be awakened to a life of service, living for the sake of others. Living for others, she said, is the essence of good government. She called legislators around the world, the representatives directly elected by the people, to become one, to transcend national interests and work together to realize a global community. Mother Moon announced the implementation of this through the International Association of Parliamentarians for Peace. On the foundation of its ongoing continental international leadership conferences, she said, the association will convene its global meetings this December in all of places, Washington, D.C. As Father Moon proclaimed in 1976, meet us at the monument. Thanks for listening. We'll continue next week.